Trevor Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Asian pea salad. This is a very simple, light salad, and it'll just take you moments to make. It uses snow peas, which are peas in edible pods. In fact, the pods are much bigger than the peas, so they're not really peas that you usually, shell or take the peas out of. I'm going to blanch them by just dropping them in boiling water for less than a minute. It's just enough to cook them very lightly. And then I'm gonna take them out using a pair of tongs, which will get out the peas, but not a lot of water. You can also use them raw, but I like them blanched like this. It just brings out their color more, and it just makes them a little more tender. I'm gonna put a little bit of red onion on there. I'm gonna sprinkle on some black sesame seeds. And then I'm gonna dress it with soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some toasted sesame oil, which has a wonderful nutty flavor. And there you have an Asian pea salad.